Hello friends, welcome to the new video. In this video, upon 15 minutes time frame, we'll analyze Nifty 50 index. As you can see in this chart, I have already marked this ABC that we are carrying forward since last 3 videos. That this is ABC, and this was in my view, this was either A, B, C for the upside targets that I mentioned in the last video. Here I have tagged the link to the last video. Please do watch and revise what was the analysis there and how it's unfolding, right? And second, I said that this could be W, X and Y to the downside, and then it may go to the upside. So now one level I mentioned in the last video was this 860. This here you can see 21,860. This should not be breached, else bears have a heavy hand, right? Or in the same scenario, 21,860 is breached and then it comes back to the upside. Again, the upside targets are intact. Now you will ask me that once I am saying that this should not breach, bears will be heavy, and the second I am saying that if it comes up in the range again after breaching it, as it have breached it now to the downside, and if again it starts moving inside the range, inside the blue range, and then moves up, again the upside targets are there. How this is possible? This is possible in both these cases markings. A, B breach to the upside, and then C, right? As people who know somewhat Elliot wave, that B's top or bottom can breach A's top or bottom. Here it is A's bottom, so right, it can breach A's bottom and then move inside, right? This case is still active. And second case, this I mentioned that this could be W, X and Y unfolding, right? If Y is over now, right, if it is over now, then it may again start moving to the upside, right? So we have both the cases ABC and WXY to the upside, in which case it will move down only. Third case, right? In which case it will move down only if this is, sorry, I removed it, if this is W, X and Y is still not over, right? Y is still not over. In that case it can go down. It can go here also then, right? And my SL of 21,700 will be hit, which I am carrying long. And second case is that this turns out to be W, X, Y, it moves to the upside, and before 22,000, this red line I have marked 22,046 as of now price action, but before this level it again moves down with the Z. It turns out to be a triple combination, right? So multiple scenarios are unfolding. I have carried longs in the anticipation of the first two, that this is ABC or this Y will get over anytime before 21,700, right? As I have posted on X that yesterday that I have carried longs, right? But if it is XYZ, then my SL will be hit or Y extend to the downside. Now for the fresh longs with a small SL, if it comes and closes in this zone, any bar, and start moving up by breaching this. Then with this, whatever is the recent low, bulls may try to push the price to the upside, right? Now upside thing, earlier it was here, right, as I marked, right? Now from here it has come to this high, right? Why? Because it has breached this 21,860 to the downside, this blue level. That was the major thing that should not have been done for the sharp up price. Now at least this, let us reach here. If it comes, then we'll see to the upside. And this, earlier I said this could be the fresh 1 2 3 4 5. In the first video I marked this as 1 2 3 4 and 5th over here, minimum was done. It is still 1 2 3 4 5 as it's a part of a last C wave, right? This is the C wave of any upside thing, right? But now why I said this is C, because it has breached this 21,860. This is not any fresh impulse, right? This is not any fresh impulse. This is C. Any corrective wave has ended on the upside, right? अगर ये इम्पल्स होता तो ये 21,860 ब्रीच नहीं होता और ये यहाँ कहीं से भी ऊपर जाके इसका हाई तोड़ देता, राइट? बट दिस इज सी नाउ बिकॉज दिस हैज ब्रीच्ड 1 का लो. तो 1 इम्पल्स का 1 का लो नहीं ब्रीच होता किसी भी इम्पल्सिव पैटर्न में अगर उसका ये सेकंड होता, राइट? बट ये अब सेकंड नहीं है. दिस इज द next leg of the corrective. We need to see. I'll mark on the higher time frame once this is done, right? तो अभी cutting it short, I'll remove this, I'll remove this, I'll remove no, nothing to be removed as of now. 8 10. Okay, I'll remove this, right? So cutting it short, A, B anywhere, C case 1, right? Case 2, W, X, Y anywhere ending, then upside. And if it keeps dragging to the downside, then this W, same thing, X, Y is going down. Keep dragging upside before breaching this to the upside. Keep dragging, downside before breaching this to the upside. It is Y in continuation. And if it comes upside, if it comes upside anytime this, before I said hitting this 22.0, this level, right? This level, then again breaches the Y's low, then this is the thing, then definitely it will go to the upside. What level to the upside we'll see later. Targets are always calculated after the last pattern is fully completed, this Z, if it happens to be this. Why? Because we will be clearly watching this pattern in front of us, already printed on the screen, and then we will come to know the targets very clearly. That after, if this is a flat, this is a zigzag, this is a triangle, this Z, we'll come to know the targets, we'll come to know the entry point, we'll come to know the stop loss. no prior targets. This target I am giving you just because of this is ABC or this Y is going to be completed, right? If it is Z, I don't know which pattern this third will be. Here I know that this is either A, B and C will go up, or this is X and this is Y in between after the X, and in between this Y this is again a flat. Then again I know this is a 22,201. So the people who doesn't know anything about Elliot, just remember this, that if it is, keep it simple, this is below 21,860, then shorts should be carried with a trailing SL or any targets if you have. If it starts coming back inside this blue zone and starts moving up, keep your shorts trailing SL tight or book somewhat, or try your long setups as per your risk and reward. I'm not SEBI registered analyst or advisor, and I'm not advising or recommending any trade. Please check your risk and your capital. Any profit or loss is your own responsibility. I am here just giving my view upon Elliott wave scenarios. I have unfolded 3 scenarios here now because this is becoming complex thing, right? This correction is becoming complex, so we must track it as it unfolds. And my trend following model, which is fully rule based, no projections, that is different from this Elliott wave. This is discretionary, a bit of rule based when I take a trade in Elliott wave, but that the rule based price action model, that is different. In that we are carrying shorts, right? It has nothing to do with this Elliott wave. This is different analysis. So Bank Nifty, for Bank Nifty we are standing with the same view. You can watch the video that I have tagged in this post. The second half of that video is Bank Nifty. It is still falling and the extreme target on 30-minute time frame is still pending. If it goes there, or anytime it may reverse, because minimum or median targets are achieved in Bank Nifty on the short side, right? So the current pattern in the Bank Nifty that I'm waiting to hit, or that third target or reverse anytime, then only I'll come to know. So no guessworking there. Here I can see the 3 scenarios, and in any scenario, if this blue zone is filled and it starts moving up, bulls have a upper hand then, right? So else 21,860 below, since 3 videos I'm saying that bears have upper hand. So kindly observe this. As the price unfolds, we need to check. And in Elliott wave, it is not a trading system, it is a projection system, and we know that which leg on bear side or bull side we are standing and what can be the probable targets. The trading system has to be different and it needs to fit inside the Elliott wave analysis. Elliott wave analysis in itself is not a trading system, right? That's why people fail. I don't trade on this discretionary model, as I'm saying this ki here stop loss rakh lo, here target rakh lo, right? I have a different price action system, discretionary, which I align with Elliott wave, and I call it Elliott wave rule based system, right? If Elliott wave is saying down and that system is also saying down, because that system is back tested, I take a trade. That's it. That is discretionary rule based. The other one, which few people have taken from me, that is not this one that I'm talking. That is fully different price action long short system, right? So here also I clear the confusion if anybody has, because sometimes this system has a short trade and that system has a long trade, or one system doesn't have any trade. So that's why, because they both are different. Draw this thing, this channel, this ABC and the scenarios I have said on your 15 minute, this is 15 minutes chart, and see how it goes. You will find it easy, because the map of the Nifty in front of you, you'll find it easy. Thank you, and please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon, and gradually as I post the videos I'll improve my delivery and my timing of the videos, because I'm trying to get it on this habit of regularly viewing and posting the video, right? Please subscribe, like, and to comment if you want anything else, or how you felt, or how it's helping you. Thank you.